G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. Today, this only came in the other day. I just did a video of it, of picking. I couldn't help myself because I haven't been able to get this casting, this shape of this one here. I've got the other Supra, which is this one here, which is a different one altogether. Different shape altogether, later model shape. But I've got this one here where I actually want to just do a wheel swap on it. It's unbranded, but the quality of the casting and the weight of it is absolutely awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a wheel swap. We're going to put a set of those Pirelli P0 8 spoke. Pretty sure they're 8 spoke. Don't want to be giving you the wrong information. So, 9 spoke. Get it right. And there they are there. So we're going to whack a set of those on there and take those really ugly, hideous wheels that are off it. Just give you a bit of a look around it. It's in really good shape. Glass is all good. The interior is really nice. It's got good high bucket seats in it. Even the detailing on the taillights has been done by a machine, of course, but it's only lightly sprayed on. It's not brushed. It's got plenty of things there that we can decorate later on the piece. The tampo on the front's in pretty good nick. You can see the there we go, you can see the Toyota emblem, plus all of those vents can have heaps done to it, all that sort of stuff. It does have a reasonable base on it, but yeah, let's get into it. Certainly not liking the wheels, that's for sure. The wheels don't really entertain me on this one, but at the end of the day I'll still keep them. I never know what needs those rims, and someone may want it done, or I'm not saying that they do and they don't, but you just never know. The day you throw something out will be the day you need it. So there we go, and we'll just do the same old procedure with this as we'd be doing on our other ones. Let's get in amongst there, it doesn't damage the body or the paint or the axle. Oh, it does ping your finger after a bit. Like I was saying in a couple of other videos, especially after you've done 10 or 20 of them. It certainly does liven you up. Now I'm just having a look at that there, because those wheels were fairly loose in there. So before we go jumping into doing any drilling or whatever else here, let's just check this out. Okay, just may need just a little touch. Yeah, it just needs a little touch, not a lot. So we will run the drill through it so it doesn't create any difficulty, and then that way we don't have wheels that don't turn. I suppose it's right if you're not worried about that there, but I like the wheels to turn, at least. Alright, so unbranded, don't know what I'm going to come across in there, so I've just got to slow and steady wins the race, if you get what I mean. 1.2 drill, 1.3 at the maximum. Don't go any higher than that, you'll have sloppy axles, they'll go loose, and it may even end up making your wheels rub against your mudguard. It'll upset you then if you want it to roll, and it doesn't. Same procedure I do with a lot of the ones that I don't drill the base on. It's a bit tricky, so just be careful what I'm doing here. Right. I'm just going to get very tiny rivets if you have a look. Right, so I'll get one with a bigger rivet in a minute and I'll show you the difference. Just run this through a few times. That should have done it. I'm going to preempt it that it will, just so I can speed this up here again. I just whack the axle in. Now I've checked the axle before, but I will check it again now while I have it in my hand. And we'll check the axle on the base. Just to make sure that how far we actually need to screw it in. As you can see, I'll push that back there. Basically leave one little knurl out so you've got that in there to match up alright. Right, we'll just move the wheels over without sending them flying. Put that axle in there, I'll grab a wheel. Very gentle, remember the procedure, very gentle. Slow and steady wins the race. Try your hardest to hold the wheel straight. Righto. There we go, and then you end up with a straight run. Straight off. The other axle. Boom. Let's try not to drop this one like I did in the other one. Righto. Just make sure that we get it in there tight. You do not need to put it in the chuck rock tight either when you do it. That's another way you can bend it, the axle. And just slow and steady. Yep, very good. Okay. We didn't try the axles before, normally I do, but I have a pretty good feeling it'll work alright. Get it into position. Into position. Look at that. Absolute magic. Now you can see why you need to measure to make sure that you've got it right. There we go. Because if otherwise if you went screwing the axle in too far, and a little bit of play, beautiful. Right, my religious ways, I always do it from the right hand side. Boom. I'm learning to actually handle these things a little bit different now to get used to the way you need to see it instead of looking at my hands all the time. And there we go, and we'll just gently push that one on. And just be careful when you're doing this sort of thing that you make sure that you keep both wheels square and level. And just a little tiny bit of play there, that way you let it spin. And just watch when you're doing that, you don't start slamming the windscreens in and all of that sort of stuff. Yeah, so we've turned a little stock standard Supra, a little no branded, but like I said, it's got a good body shape. All the casting, like there's a little tiny bit there, if you can just see it gently. Overlay of the cast, same as there, a little bit of a line that needs to come off. But we won't worry about painting it, we won't get too fussy, otherwise we'll be sitting here all day painting 50 million cars. That's what it looks like. Wow, what a difference. After taking those shonky looking things off, and get those out of the picture, those out of the way. So yeah, a little Toyota Supra. So let me know in the comments, what do you think? Like, subscribe, share, let us know folks, and we'll keep carrying on with doing a lot more, and we'll get these other ones all joined together so we can get to some of these custom ones that I've done a little bit more in depth. But yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and we'll be back with some more.